Good morning, student. This class we will see the cylinder of truncated portion of the cylinder. Let us see the problem. It is there is a sectional plane. The cylinder is 50 mm diameter and 60 mm height. There is a sectional plane 55 degree, which is perpendicular to VP, and then axis is 45 mm above the base, which is going to cut. Draw the isometric projection of truncated portion. Right, truncated portion. Okay, so let us make the reference line xy, and the plane HP and VP. Plane HP and VP, and simply draw the 50 mm diameter cylinder. Let us complete the simple position. After that we will section it, then we can able to show the truncated one. We can keep in the isometric plane. So let us finish the cylinder, the top view of cylinder, which is in the horizontal plane. So divide the circle in 8 equal parts so that we can clearly draw the isometric projection. If you are considering the time, you can make it in a 4 equal part. It's up to you. Once you get practice it well, we can finish it within a 4 equal parts. It's up to you, but the valuer will expect the 8 equal parts. Okay, right. Now you erect a vertical line to touch the axis line, sorry, reference line xy, and make the axis to be at the center. Let us make long dashed dotted, and the height of the cylinder is 60 mm, right. 60 mm. So make a parallel line of xy and connect those points. Extend those points. Let us complete the front view of the cylinder. So now finish all the edges. So once we completed all the edges, we supposed to section it, right? The sectional criteria is given. The height is 65 mm. So where it is getting sectioned 55 degree angular line, it is above 45 mm from the base. So you could show in the vertical plane, just mark 45 mm from the base. Let us mark, denote the points A1. A1 is base, A is top, B B1, C C1, D D1, E E1, F F1, G G1, H and H1. Similarly, in the vertical plane, A, B, in bracket H, C, C dash, G, it is in hidden, and D, 1 dash, all are 1, A1, B1, C1. Similarly, top is D, F, C, G, B, H, A. That's it. So now the thing is to mark 45 mm from the base. 45 mm base. Make horizontal line, keep the protractor and mark 55-degree angular line. Mark 55-degree angular line. So the sectional plane you need to show very lengthy. We can show only in the diagram, vertical plane. Okay, that is 55-degree. So this portion only we just going to see when we are seeing from the top. Let us give the notations. That is 1 from A1 to A2, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, behind there is a 5 dash, and 6 dash begin in the C strip, and 7 dash. Only 7 numbers of point it is intersect. So when you are seeing from the top, I just mark one reference edge strip. You are seeing from the top, and remaining portion we can hatch. These are all the top view of the sectional portion, cut portion. This is called as a cut surface. When you are seeing from the top, these are all will be very slanting. Okay, that is hatched. So now once things are finished, we just draw the boundary line, which is the reference line to fix in the isometric plane. So here just give the numerals of all the edges: 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. Now just draw the tangent line in A, C, E, G. Let us consider as a box in the box method. Okay. So we just going to draw this box in top and bottom. So PQRS, there is a 4 numbers of point on the edge, that is a reference point. So let us make P1, Q1, Q1, R1. Don't use pen, just used for your visibility. S1. Okay. Once it over, let us draw the isometric plane with an reference point. It's supposed to be 30-degree line in both direction. Let us draw one reference line. And mark the point. Which point you supposed to keep? That may be a confusion. Here you can directly keep P. (30° in both direction). And measure P to Q and foreshorten it, that is 0.82%. It might be 41. All the direction, since it is a square, it is 41, and transfer this distance on the isometric plane. So the isometric scale is 41. Properly take it from compass, not directly measure from the scale. Okay, now you take a parallel line of these two. Set square is to be used here. That will give perfect parallel line. Yes. So let us erect a vertical line that is 60 mm. 60 mm means just convert to isometric scale. 60 into 0.82, almost it will come 49, I think. The height is 60 mm. That is make to a isometric scale. So let us calculate. 49.2. Let us take 49. Erect a vertical line for a 49. For all the edges. Erect a vertical line for all the edges so that we can complete the box. So there is some mistakes in the parallel line, because that P and the diagonal one R, since it is a square, these two vertical lines supposed to merge. Let me erase, and then these two parallel lines supposed to merge. Like that, there will not be any gap. That line from P and line from R supposed to be in a same line. Let us measure that A. Before that, let us measure A1 to 1, the distance, the vertical distance which we are just going to transfer. It is about to 1 centimeter, that's 10 mm. Let us multiply by 0.8, that is 0.82 centimeter. So centimeter, okay, convert to mm, 8.2 mm, and let us B1 to H1, that is same, 2 to 7. So let us measure that distance and we will foreshorten it. It is almost 1.9 or 1.8. So let us make 1.8. Let us multiply with the 0.82. I just having, luckily I don't have a calculator, making it in mobile. When you are multiplying it, it's supposed to be a 1.41. It will be 1.47. So next is C1 G1 2 3 dash B 6 dash. So the distance of these two from the base, it is 4.5, it is coming, multiply by 0.82, multiply by 0.82, so I just corrected this one. This is supposed to be a straight line. Okay, see now edges P and R. That's supposed to be perfect. Okay, then only you can able to see the perfect view. It's a common matter. The two diagonals will be coincide. So that is 45 in multiplying by 0.82 is 36.9. Let me write that 45 also. Okay. Now the last one is 60 mm as it is. That is 49.2, because it is from the base 4 and 5, 4 dash and 5 dash, the height is same like cylinder height. It is right, it's 41. It's a 49. It's a 49. I just not clear. Okay, it is 49. So here then the base is P2A or P1 to A1. It's nothing but 50. So it is half of that. 50 is 20.5. Let us mark all A, C, that is C1, and G and E, E1. So all base point. After that you just make one diagonal line, so which we are just going to place that B, F, and obviously all the diagonal line, this already there is one diagonal line. From all the edges it is same, so it is can transfer to a foreshorten, and you can able to intersect that P to R and S to Q line. It is 0.82. It will be 0.8. 0.8. A1. No, this is not B. B is supposed to enter. This is P, and B is from P to R. There is a B. Similarly, from R to, you can able to identify F. B1, C1, D1, E1. Sorry. E1 is here. Carefully you need to draw. Carefully you show the notations. Okay. No, where is such? Yeah, that the point you see the E1 supposed to be shifted after D. No. Yeah, here E1. That is F1. Now this is G1, and H1. The same points H1. The same point to be transferred in a vertical plane, and you can able to finish the circle. So when you are making perfectly, you will get the clear circle. Not that much clear. Okay, slightly slanting circle you will get. More than this clarity you will get. Make it slowly. Connect by a smooth curve, and at a vertical line you can mark in the top box the same points. So that is A. This is A1. Sorry, G1. This is H. This is D. This is C. C. C, E. So you have to be transferred by measuring that P to B1 or R to F1. Now you connect a smooth curve. Now there is a cylinder is kept in the box. We have measured from the reference and we have transferred it. So the measurement is supposed to be only from PQRS. Okay. Now let us mark the height A to 1, A to 1, B to 2, C to 3. So slightly make a line. Okay. You have to connect here H1 to H, D to D1. Mark and transfer already I have shown all the dimensions. One by one you just mark. See, you're supposed to be very careful of transferring all the points. This kind of problem will take more time. This truncated. 2, 3, 4 at D, nearer D. Yeah. At top there will be a 4. It's nearer D, but it is not in the D. Okay. I am making the top one. Now we connect all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is to be marked. Yeah, 2 more points. Connect again, transfer that the point is 6 and one more 7. It is from H. I'm measuring from B1 to 2. That's same. Okay. So I just marked all the points. Now you connect by a curve. Just connect by a curve. I just marked slightly large. Okay. I'm just starting from 1. So remaining point, let us Actually, we has to touch 5. We will just consider the 5. And one more time, we just verify the distances. Maybe 6, I think it has to be slightly more. Okay, it is okay. You will get one parabolic shape. Okay. So now you hatch everything. If you are not transferring correctly, you cannot able to get the smooth curve. Being urgency, I have made it. Hatch everything. Hatch. So this is a final view of the truncated portion when you are seeing normal to it. Normal to it. So isometric projection of the truncated cylinder. It's a final view. Okay, thanks.